Okay, we have seen yesterday formula based sir. Today we will continue that part. Look at here. Three x square plus 5x plus minus 4. First we consider this. Minus 4. 3 common. 5 by 3x minus 4 by 3. Right? So 2b is equal to, yesterday we have seen 5 by 3. What is the b value? 5 by 6. So I have divided. So what will happen? 3 into x square plus 5 by 3x plus 5 by 6 whole square minus 5 by 6 whole square minus 4 by 3. So this becomes 5 by 6 whole square. Okay, so minus 25 by 36 minus 4 by, I told you flower bracket. So 36 is LCM. So minus 25, 9 will go 12 times means 48. How much it is? Minus 74 by 36. So here 36 LCM, 12 powers are 48. So what will happen now? Whole square minus 74 by 36. So 3 into root 74 by 6 whole square. Right? Therefore, now root is there. Root of dx. Which formula? 1 by root of x square minus a square dx, which is cos h inverse x by a. So what will happen? 1 by root 3 cos h inverse x by y plus c. Right? So this will become. Now same procedure, only root we have to put. Okay, let us see one more problem. One more problem. Okay, under root. I will take any numbers, we can take 5. So again 5x square plus 7x minus 2. 5 common. 7 by 5x minus 2 by 5. Again 2b is equal to 7 by 5. b is equal to 7 by 10. So 5 into 2 square minus 10 by 10. So whole square minus 49 by 100 minus 2 by 5. Right? So what will happen? Again floor bracket. 2 by 5. LCM is 100 minus 49. This will go 20 minus 40. Okay, 20, 22 is 40. So 5 is equal to how much it becomes? Minus 89 by 100. Right? So x plus 7 by 10 whole square. Whatever sign we get, we write here 89 by 100. Therefore, whole square. So again 1 by root 5, 1 by x by 10 whole square minus root 9 by 10 under root. So again which formula? 1 by a square dx is equal to cos h inverse x by a. So what will happen? 1 by root 5 cos h inverse x by a by root 89 by 10. If you want to take the LCM. Okay. To make you understand this concept, we have done this process. Okay. Right. Please note on this. Now, again, look at here. Observe here, 3x square minus 3 common, x square 4 by 3x minus 7 by 3. Taken minus 3 common, so what will happen? Minus 3 into, again, what is the 2b? 4 by 3, which means b is equal to 2 by 3. So minus 3 into x square plus 4 by 3x plus 2 by 3 whole square minus 2 by 3 whole square minus 7 by 3. So minus 3 into x plus 2 by 3 whole square minus 4 by 9 minus 7 by 3. So minus 3 into whole square minus, okay, flower bracket, 9 is LCM, minus 4, 3 will go 3 times, minus 21. So minus 25 by 9. So what will happen? Here minus 25 by 9. Same, whatever sign here coming. Now bring only minus sign inside. I told you many times. Minus of x plus 2 by 3 whole square. So 3 into 5 by 3 whole square minus x plus 2 by 3 whole square, right? Therefore, integration of 1 by root 3, 1 by 5 by 3 whole square minus x plus 2 by 3 whole square dx under root. So what we have done? Same procedure. We have taken minus 3 common, then again bring only minus sign. Don't bring number. So what will happen? This becomes, what is the formula now? 1 by a square minus x square under root, which is sin inverse x by a. So what will happen? 1 by root 3 sin inverse x by a, x plus 2 by 3 by 5 by 3 plus c. Observe here, again x square is a negative sign, always you get a sin inverse. I told you, if x square is a negative sign, one formula I told you without square root, here with negative sign. Okay, please note down this. Now I am giving you 5 problems, sir. Please try to put your answers in our group, sir, that is our WhatsApp. These problems, again 4 common, here minus 2x square is there. So definitely you are going to get a formula, a square minus x square formula. Here x square is a negative sign, again a square minus x square. Here also x square is a negative sign, a square minus x square. That's why I gave all a square minus x square problems, sir. Please try to put your answers in our WhatsApp group, sir. Okay, I want to check up how many people have done. Please try this, sir. Take your time. There is no problem. Tomorrow also you can put. Today if you have finished, please try to put. Any doubts are there, you can ask me. Okay, right? Sometimes the problem will be given like this. Cos x by sin square x plus 4 sin x plus 5 dx. Okay, put t is equal to sin x. What is the dt? Cos x dx. So this becomes 1 by t square plus 4t plus 5 dt. So we have converted. Again, take this, consider t square plus 4t plus 5. So this can be 2b is equal to 4, b is equal to 2. So t square plus 4t plus 2 square minus 2 square plus 5. So t plus 2 whole square minus 4 plus 5. So t plus 2 whole square plus 1. So this can be written 1 by t plus 2 whole square plus 1 square. This is become t plus 2 whole square plus 1 square. Which formula? 1 by x square plus a square. So 1 by a tan inverse x by a. So what will happen? 1 by a, 1 by 1 tan inverse t plus 1 by 1. So 1 by 1 tan inverse t means what, sir? Sin x. Sin x plus 1. So here we have substitution also is giving you this model. Okay, sometimes they can give you for 2 marks, sir. It will not give you. Here reason is directly you can write this. All this is not required. Directly you can come to here because it is a plus b whole square formula. If you apply with one step, you get your answer. Okay, there is, it will be given for 2 marks, sir. This step is important. Once you write directly, you can write from here to here, sir. What is that? T plus 2 whole square plus 1, because Here 40 is there, which is an even number, definitely it will be 2b. So using that you can directly write. So with 3 steps you can complete the answer. Okay, like this also you will be giving. Okay, please note down. Okay, now look at here, 2x plus 2 by x square plus 2x plus 5. I will put t is equal to x square plus 5, 2x plus 5. What is the derivative? 2x plus 2 dx, which is there in the numerator. So directly what will happen? 1 by t dt, which is log of x square plus 2x plus 5. So what is happening here? Derivative is there in the numerator. This is one concept, but actually the problem will not be like this, sir. For example, x plus 1 by x square plus 3x plus 12. If you observe the derivative of this, if you assume t is equal to x square plus 3x plus 12, what is the derivative? 2x plus 3, which is not there. So what we have to do, this also for 7 marks he can give you like this. Okay, the extension. Now let, please understand here, a into derivative of denominator plus b. For that we have to write a into derivative of denominator plus b. Now what will happen? X plus 1 is equal to a into derivative is 2x plus 3 plus b. X plus 1 is equal to 2ax plus 3a plus b. Compare. What is the x coefficient here? 1. Here what is the x coefficient? 2a. Therefore a is equal to 1 by 2 and 1 is equal to 3a plus b. Okay, already you got a value how much, sir? 1 by 2. So 1 is equal to 3 by 2 plus b. Therefore b is equal to 1 minus 3 by 2. 2 minus 3 by 2. So how much it becomes? 1 by 2. So what is the b value? A value 1 by 2, b value minus 1 by 2. Now look at the problem. The problem will become like this. If you got doubt, go through the video as many times. Okay, I am writing here. I am taking this. What is the x plus 1? A into 2x plus 3 plus b. So already a value how much we got? 1 by 2. What is the b value? Minus 1 by 2. So I am writing here 1 by 2 into 2x plus 3 minus 1 by 2 by 12. So numerator is replaced by x plus 1 is replaced by a into 2x plus 3 b. A value we got, b value we got. We have substituted. Now separate them. Dx minus 1 by 2 dx. Right? Now derivative of this is there in the numerator. We say f dash x by f of x. What is that we call? F dash x by f of x, which is nothing but log of f of x. So numerator is the derivative of denominator. So what is the formula here? We have to write. So 1 by 2 log of f of x means what, sir? X square plus 3x plus 12 plus minus 1 by 2 1 by dx. You call it as Roman 1. Now we have to find the integration for this. Now again consider x square plus 3x plus 12. What that I have considered x square plus 3x plus 12. So what is the 2b value? 3. B value 3 by 2. Therefore x square plus 3x plus 3 by 2 whole square minus 3 by 2 whole square plus 12. Right? So again using the same method, that's what I said. X plus 3 by 2 whole square minus 9 by 4 plus 12. Again flower bracket minus 9 plus 48 by 4. So this is 39 by 4. Therefore this will become what, sir? X plus 3 by 2 whole square plus 39 by 4. which is nothing but x plus 3 by 2 whole square plus root 39 by 2 whole square. Okay, I am putting 1. Put in 1. Already we got 1 by 2 log of x square plus 3x plus 12 minus 1 by 2 integration of 1 by dx. So which formula? 1 by x square plus a square dx. So 1 by a tan inverse x by a. Look at here, again we are using the same procedure, right? Therefore final answer will become 1 by 2 x square plus 3x plus 12 plus minus 1 by 2. 1 by a means what, sir? Root 39 by 2 into tan inverse x by a by root 39 by 2. So this 2 will get cancelled. Final answer 1 by 2 log of minus 1 by root 39 tan inverse of x plus 3 by 2 by root 39 by 2. That's why I said it is a 7 marks question. So first we have to convert a value, b value, then we put in this step is important. Then we separate them f dash x by f of x. So log of f of x minus. Again we have to consider this separately. Now this integration we have to consider. Then we have to do the procedure which we have learned up to here from again here. Okay, please note down. Okay, one more draw. Again 6x plus 5 is equal to a into d by dx of, forget about roots, sir, don't consider root, take as this, plus b. So don't consider root, only you have to consider the function which is there. So a into derivative is what, sir? Minus 4x plus 1. Here 6 derivative is 0, x square derivative 2x, so minus 4x plus b is equal to minus 4ax plus a plus b. So x coefficient 6 is equal to minus 4a and 5 is equal to a plus b. So a is equal to minus 6 by 4. So a is equal to minus 3 by 2. So 5 is equal to minus 3 by 2 plus b. 5 plus 3 by 2 is equal to b. So 10 plus 3, 13 by 2 is equal to b. Right? Now again this is very important. I am putting arrow here. So integration of is equal to a into, what is a value? Minus 3 by 2. What is that inside? 4x plus 1. This one we have to consider, right? Plus b. B is what, sir? 13 by 2 by root of plus x, right? Again separate them by dx plus 13 by 2, 1 by dx. Now observe here, derivative of the inside square root is there in the numerator. Therefore, it is in the form of f dash x by root of f of x, which is nothing but 2 root of f of x. Please remember, last one f dash x by f of x. Now f dash x by root of f of x, 2 root of f of x minus into 2 into root of 6 minus 2x square plus x plus 13 by 2, 1 by root of 6 minus 2x square plus x dx. You call it as Roman 1. Again, consider 6 minus 2x square plus x. Take minus 2 common. Minus 2 common. X square minus x by 2 minus 3. Okay, x square minus x by 2 minus 3. So I have taken minus 2 common. Again, minus 2b is equal to minus 1 by 2. minus minus will get cancelled. B is equal to 1 by 4. Therefore, minus 2 into x square minus x by 2 plus 1 by 4 whole square minus 1 by 4 whole square minus 3. I am writing here. I will write here. Continuation is here. Okay, I am continuing here. So, what will happen? Minus 2 into x minus 1 by 4 whole square. Somebody will have a doubt, sir. Again, I am explaining. Here, minus sign is there. So, a square minus 2ab plus b square. That's why a minus b whole square will come. Here, plus 1 by 4 whole square. So, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Here, minus 1 by 16 minus 3. Again, flower bracket. So, what is the LCM? 16 minus 1 minus 48. So, how much we get? Minus 49 by 16. So, minus 2 into whole square minus 49 by 16. Only bring minus sign inside. 2 into, I will write directly, 7 by 4 whole square minus x minus 1 by 4 whole square. Therefore, put in 1. What is the 1? 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So, minus 3 into root of plus 13 by 2 into 1 by root 2 integration. Why 1 by root 2, sir? It is there in the denominator. So, here 2 is there in the denominator, 2 is also will come. So, root of 7 by 4 whole square dx under root. So, which formula it is? 1 by a square minus x square under root, which is sin inverse x by a. Understand here? Procedure is, that's why it is 7 marks weightage, sir. Please practice them, sir. So, here you have to take a value, b value, then simplification. So, what will happen? Minus 3 into root of 6 plus x plus 13 by 2 into 1 by root 2 sin inverse x by a. X means what, sir? X minus 1 by 4 root 7 by 4 plus c. Okay, please note down this. Okay, one more problem. 3x minus 2 is equal to a into d by dx of plus b. Okay, procedure is same, is equal to a into 4x minus 1 plus b. So, 3x minus 2 is equal to 4ax minus a plus b. So, 4a is equal to 3 and minus 2 is equal to minus a plus b. So, a is equal to 3 by 4, minus 2 is equal to minus 3 by 4 plus b. So, minus 2 plus 3 by 4 is equal to b. So, 8 means minus 5 by 4. Okay, you got a value, b value, right? Now, integration. Again, I am underlining this, you are going to use this. So, what is that? 3x minus 2 by root of 2x square minus x plus 1 dx is equal to, what is the a value? 3 by 4. Observe here, it is the same procedure. Plus b value minus 1 5 by 4 root of dx, right? Again 3 by 4 4x minus 1 by root of plus 1 dx minus 5 by 4 1 by plus 1 dx. So, again it is in the form of f dash x by root of f of x, 2 root of f of x. So, 3 by 4 2 into root of x, fx means what, sir? Plus minus 5 by 4 integration of 1 by root of 2x plus 1, call it as Roman 1. Observe again, I am going to same procedure. Consider 2x square minus x plus 1. Now, take 2 common only, there is no minus sign. So, x square minus x by 2 plus 1 by 2. So, 2b minus 2b is equal to minus 1 by 2. Here only x coefficient. So, minus minus will get cancelled. B is equal to 1 by 4. So, what will happen? 2 into x square minus x by 2 1 by 4 whole square minus 1 by 4 whole square plus 1 by 2. Again 2 into x minus 1 by 4 whole square minus 1 by 16 plus 1 by 2. Again flower bracket. LCM is 16 minus 1 plus 8, which will give you 7 by 16. So 2 into x minus 1 by 4 whole square plus 7 by 16. 2 into x minus 1 by 4 whole square plus root 7 by 4 whole square. Okay. Now what will happen? Integration. Put in 1. What is the 1? 3 by 4 into 2 root of plus 1 minus 5 by 4 into, we are taking under root, so 1 by root 2, integration of 1 by x minus 1 by 4 whole square root 7 by 4 whole square under root, which is nothing but cancellation. 3 by 2 root of 2x square plus 1 minus 5 by 4 root 2 plus sign is there, sin h inverse x by a. Let's see. Okay, so what is happening here? We have to see, look at this process. Okay, right? I'll give you two problems, sir. Try these two problems, sir. Okay, I gave you some 6 problems, 7 problems, you can try.